Hello guys, so today in this video we are going to see complete live review about this awesome protocol AI News Glitch, which is the world's first system that exploits a Google glitch to create and monetize news sites to help you to make $800 over and over again every time when you post done for you news stories. So watch the complete video to see full demo of it, how it works, into various features and many more. And guys, if you get access to it right now, I have 5 plus action taken bonuses totally free worth rupees $999 for you. So to learn more about it or to grab this limited time period offer, definitely check out the link in the description down below guys. So now let's get started.
Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make money with Google and AI using AI News Glitch. So here is the register page. So just click your details here, just enter your details, and then your news website will be ready, and I will show you how you can make limitless money using Google AdSense and AI. So just register here, like website name, now admin name here, now email here, admin@gmail.com. enter your password here like this. Now your subdomain, just click on submit. Now wait for a few seconds, your account is ready. It will redirect you for admin panel and your main website look. Okay, so now registration is success. Just click on front end. Now your website will look like this. Here are so many done for you news already added in your website, and also it will automatically submitted in Google submission directories so that the SEO will be good. So just enter your email ID here for login and enter your password and click on login. So now I'm just logged in, and here is the admin panel. Here is your website. You can click for reading the news like this. So you can change the theme here, and you can add post here like this. You can add articles, gallery, you can run quiz as well. You can share audio news, you can share video stories. Just click on videos. Let me show you how you can do this. Add your title here, like news about US and China. You can add your keywords here. Now open YouTube, enter here US news. Now here it is. Just copy this URL and go to video URL and click on get video. Now as you can see, your video is here. Now add thumbnail. I have already created a thumbnail here. Now click and select image, and here is the AI content. The best part is you don't have to write any words for news. Just click here and news about USA. Enter your keyword and then just click on submit. Wait for a few seconds. AI content will generate it in a few seconds. Now as you can see, the content is here. Just fix this, like there are points. So as you can see, the news is generated successfully. You can add images here between this content. You can bold this content like this, like if you want to bold this line. If you want to add color, and just add the color like this. You can add your affiliate link here for making money using other websites like this. And now just select a category, like it's a news related website, but if it's a video news, just click on submit. Now as you can see, post successfully added. just click here and refresh your website. Just go to the videos, and as you can see, the news about US and China is here. So here is the video and here is the content which is AI generated. You can play the news like this. So as you can see, this is how you can generate the news. Okay, so now I will show you how you can use RSS feed or import other news in your website. Just click on import RSS feed, enter your feed name like news. Here are the feeds like US news and how many news you want in your website. Now just click on 10 and then select the category and RSS news. Now subcategory all, and now just click on import RSS feed. Just wait for a few seconds. Now see, the news is imported with others website. Now see, this is the news. Here are the latest news. So this is how you can add news here like this. You can open the news, and here are so many categories. Now let me show you how you can make money using Google AdSense. Now click on add space. Here are the so many options like where you want to add your Google AdSense code. Even you can add your manual ad banner. So just click on sidebar bottom. Now as you can see, now select image. I have already created one image, and now click on, you can add your affiliate URL here. Like for an example, I am adding the google.com. As an example, you can add your affiliate link here. So when someone visit your website and click on your banner, then you can make money using that. So just click on save changes. Now just go to home, just sliding down, and as you can see, here is the banner like how I make $838 in 24 hours. Click here to earn more. So when someone will click here and buy the product, or if they don't buy the product even, but if they click on this, then Google will pay you the money for this, because Google AdSense always pay you with clicks. So this is how you can use AI News Glitch for making money with AI and Google AdSense. There are so many other options as well. There are SEO tools as well for making a better SEO for your website. You can add the title here, so site description, keywords, and just click on save. So this is how AI News Glitch works. So thank you for watching.